in 11th or 12th gear here. Not having a heart attack, yeah. So I've got the GoPro set to a standard profile. So raw audio's on, wind reduction is turned off, got my windscreen on, got the color set to GoPro color, sharpness high. So pretty much visually the default GoPro settings. Well, no, I've got it on linear, so it's not bowed at the sides, fisheyed. Momentum! Yay! Okay, here we go. Oh, that helped. Got me up like half of the climb. Oh, that might be the slowest I went down it.
What you're doing right now is scaring me, so put that.
Oh, you know, it's not a cliff or anything.
I know, but it looks like it.
I just want to do some rock crawling. Okay, now it's rocking. Well, not yet. Almost. All right, come over here. I am picking the worst line, I swear. Oh my God. That was the worst run that I've had on that. I kept hitting the biggest rocks the entire way down. I'm like, no, no, no. It was just a calamity.
Well, I didn't know because I was too worried about my line.
Yeah. Well, good thing you didn't follow me. No, you didn't. You were on the other side of the trail. This is so slow. The wind is blowing right in my face. Wonder if you can hear me though. And of course I didn't start at the top of Heart Attack Hill, so I can't expect too much.